Tips to overcoming heartbreak. Falling in love is one of the most beautiful feelings anyone could have. When in love, everything around us turns beautiful. There's music in the air, a spring in our step, and we even smile at strangers in the street. But sometimes love doesn't last as people fall apart for various reasons, resulting in heartbreaks that may seem impossible to overcome. So how do you get over a heartbreak that will most assuredly at some point come your way? Here are 5 ways to overcome a heartbreak fast. Number 5. Feel the feelings. Getting over a broken heart can take a lot of energy, work, and time. Don't try to force yourself or listen to anyone who says, just get over it. You might think you're over it, then have a dream about this person and get flushed with feeling all over again. It can take a long time, but be very gentle with yourself. Remember that feelings aren't meant to hurt you. They are simply an energy that needs to move through you and move on. 4. Drop the storyline. While it's totally normal to want to find out what happened, which often leads to an endless parade of counterproductive what-ifs in your mind, stop the line of thinking. Don't rewrite it. Instead, try to focus on the fact that you will grow from that experience. Number 3. Build a support system for yourself. Learning to provide comfort for yourself when you feel distressed is one of the most valuable tools you can have in your toolbox. And you can only do so much more by recruiting 2 or 3 people that you can reach out to when you need somebody to talk to. So anytime you feel like sending a text to your ex, reach out for one of your buddies instead. 2. Have a mantra. As cheesy and obnoxious mantras may seem, they are a great way to keep your mind focused on moving forward rather than spiraling into anxious thoughts. And some of the great mantras are phrases like, feelings are not facts, I love her, but I love myself more, or no relationship is a waste of time. So anytime you find yourself in a spot where you're feeling insecure, remind yourself of the phrase, feelings are not facts. Number 1. Forgive. Forgiveness is not about the other person or letting them off the hook. Forgiveness is you letting go of the feeling of anger at someone who's done something wrong to save yourself the hurt. And that's it on the list. So, what is the best way to mend a broken heart? Personally, I think it is to pick up the pieces and move on. For the right person, maybe just around the corner. Have another opinion in mind? Well, let's hear your thoughts in the comment section and below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends.